Everything you have ever seen, touched, or imagined was once compressed into a space smaller than a single atom, and then in less than a second, it became the universe. Let that settle for a moment. Not just the Earth, not just the solar system. Every galaxy, every black hole, every photon of light that has ever traveled across the cosmos, all of it, squeezed into something you could not see with a microscope. 13.8 billion years ago, that singularity erupted. Physicists call the first moment the Planck epoch, lasting just 10 to the power of negative 43 seconds. Time itself did not exist before it. Space did not exist. There was no before. But here is what is stranger. In the first fraction of a second, the temperature reached 10 to the power of 32 degrees Celsius, hotter than anything that has existed since. The entire observable universe was a single fireball smaller than a proton, and yet it contained the seeds of every structure you will ever see in the night sky. Then came inflation. In roughly 10 to the power of negative 32 seconds, the universe expanded by a factor of 10 to the power of 26. That is not a typo. Regions smaller than an electron stretched to the size of a grapefruit in an instant so violent it makes every explosion in human history look motionless. And yet it gets more extreme. The first atoms did not form until 380,000 years later. Before that, the universe was so dense and hot that light could not travel freely. It was opaque, a glowing fog. The moment it cleared, light streamed out in every direction. We can still detect that ancient light today. It is called the cosmic microwave background, and it surrounds you right now at a temperature of just 2.7 degrees above absolute zero. Here is the part no one expects. The tiny quantum fluctuations in that original singularity, random, microscopic ripples smaller than anything imaginable, became the seeds of every galaxy, every star, every planet, and every living thing that has ever existed. The largest structures in the cosmos were born from the smallest possible imperfections. The universe did not just begin, it remembered every tremor from its very first breath.